Hi guys, so today I'm going to be baking pumpkin spice cake, and it only requires very few ingredients. We have this spice cake mix, a can of pumpkin, some vegetable oil, vanilla frosting, 3 eggs, and a little water. So you're going to want to preheat the oven on 350. And now we're gonna mix the ingredients. Now that we have all the ingredients in, we're gonna mix at medium speed. Big easy non-stick spray, and I'm going to spray this pan and then pour our deeply mixed ingredients into the pan. Now that it's all done, I smoothed it out, and now I'm going to be putting it in the oven. And that's it. So this part is optional, but while it's baking, I'm going to use this gel food coloring. I have the primary colors in green, and we're going to use red and yellow. We're going to first put the white frosting inside a little bowl and put the red and the yellow in and mix it to make orange, or you can get orange food coloring, and we're going to mix it because I want it to look, festive, so I'm going to use orange. Now that I'm all done mixing, I have this nice shade of orange, and we're going to wait until the cake is out of the oven and cooled to decorate the top. Now it's all done. The timer just went off, and I'm going to take it out and let it sit on top of the stove to cool. So I put on the orange frosting. I wish the orange was a little darker, but it's okay. I sprinkled it with red sprinkles and green sprinkles just to add some fall colors, and there you have it, pumpkin spice cake. Probably could have frosted and decorated a little nicer, but it's all good as long as it tastes good. Have a good day.